Say hello. She bloomed this morning. She bloomed this morning. She is a Mexican sunflower. That's who she is. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, family. This is Linda. I've been having a wonderful day. It's been extremely busy. I had Jody to do some things for me today. But since she was off from work, she decided that she wanted her mama to be with her. But, really her mama wanted to be home. But I went out with her anyway, right? So in today's video, I want to share with you, this is my day. This is at the end of my day, really. And I'm harvesting some greens. And this is my third harvest of greens this season. I'm so grateful to God to give me the opportunity to grow my own food and just to be able to harvest this food is a blessing all by itself. And for that, I am grateful. But I am harvesting these greens. I'm just getting leaves from whatever one of the vegetables I just choose, and I was just choosing randomly, no reason. And today, at the end of this video, I will share with you all my plate of food of what I'm having for dinner. Have you ever just wanted a good home-cooked meal? Not just hot dogs or hamburgers, but you want a meal, like you used to get when you were a kid on Sundays at grandmama house. I want to be in grandmama house today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook a meal like my grandmama cooked. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't need holidays to cook a good meal, baby, right? Yeah, so I'm harvesting my greens. I am gonna have it. Now listen, you cannot eat greens without cornbread, family. That's well, let me say that. In my house, in my family, and everyone I know in New Orleans, right? If you cook greens, you gotta have cornbread. So listen, we ain't eating no greens without the cornbread. You can keep the rice. Gotta have the cornbread. But anyway, I'm gonna cook that cornbread, right? So I'm gonna share with you all my dinner at the end of this video. I'm gonna give you all some updates of other vegetables and plants that I have growing in my garden, like the moringa tree. I want to share my fig trees with many of you fig growers, just so you can see how my fig trees look in the month of October, right? Also, I'm going to share with you all my plantains. I have 4 plantain flowers, 2 racks, and I am truly, truly grateful for them all. I'm definitely going to share them with my neighbor, but I'll give him 1 rack. I may even give him 2. But we're going to share. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. All right. This is one of my brown turkey fig trees, and this is but look at that. You see that? let's see this one. Now, this is the second cropping of her figs. This is the second cropping. And let's get this one. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. And let's see this one. We'll get her anyway. We got more over there. We have more. But anyway. So, this is her figs. Brown turkey. That's who that is. Now, let me share another one. This is Fiona, y'all. Oh, that's her. That's her. Fiona is a Celeste Fig. As you can see, most of her leaves are gone. She do have some leaves. These are new leaves coming back here. And also, look at her over there. This is Fiona. See those figs under there? She still has figs, but most of her leaves have dropped. That's a Celeste. That's Miss Fiona. Now, you may say, oh, Miss Linda, you got all those weeds in there. I know. So, I'm going to leave those weeds there for one reason. So, we got some zinnias in there. But I'm going to top this off with more soil. As you can see, the soil have composted down. And I'm just going to use those weeds and let them stay there. I'm just going to put it down. This is my LSU purple. You see that? No leaves. That's sugar cane. No leaves. None. Except she has some here. Yeah, she has some there. But all her leaves is gone. And that is the process of what my fig trees do. Now, this is my LSU Gold. She is this color and like this because she was thirsty, y'all. This leaf here, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to try to propagate it because it's all wrong. We're going to take it out. And all of those down there. But, yeah, that's my LSU Gold. She dropped all her leaves. All these leaves came back. And what she's doing now, she's dropping them again. She's going to drop them again. But that is the process. So if you see your fig trees doing this in October, have no fear, baby. This is just the process. This is just what they do. Many people that is growing fig trees, go outside and look at your fig tree. You will see leaves looking similar to this. Yeah, they will look similar to that. But your fig tree is all right. She's all right. Okay, let's taste this. This is a brown turkey. Well, goddamn, I'm shocked. I'm shocked, family. She's juicy, she's moist, and she tastes so good. She tastes good. She tastes good, y'all. Wait. Oh, down. That's good. That's real good. This is another brown turkey fig. She's dropped all her leaves. She have figs. This girl, she dropped them all. A few of them still hanging on, but she's all right though. It's just the process of the fig. She'll be all right. But these figs taste good this morning. They're real good. I mean, that one wasn't sweet as the other, but let's see this one here. Let's try it. Oh my God. Oh. I'm going back over there and see if she got some more. So this is an update on my Moringa And look at her, y'all. She is so full of flowers. I mean, it looks like snow on this girl. Yeah. She's beautiful. She's just full of flowers. And I try to pick up all the flowers she dropped because I put them in my salads and they're pretty good. They're pretty darn good. Look at those flowers, y'all. So many. Yeah. So this is just an update on her. She's doing really good. So far, so good. So here's an update on my plantains, and this is the latest plantain flower. She's behind that. Oh, there she is right there. There she is. right there. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there she is. Oh man, come on. This leaf is in the way. But that's her. Right there. That's her. There she is. That's the newest one. Alright. Here is another one. Yep, there she is. That's the one I was trying to see right there. Yeah. So this is the other rack of plantains we have. Yeah, that's her. This is the second one I found. Alright. And that is the first one I found. There she is. I'm gonna take that tip off really soon. Yeah. Alright, there's your update. So this is my morning harvest of okra, and I take them off when they're this size because I like them like that. So these are my beans. Yeah, there's my beans. All right, y'all, this is my dinner. Yeah, I have cornbread, some sweet potatoes, my greens, with some smoked turkey wing meat. I took the bones out. There's some barbecue chicken wings. I got a little wine. Yeah. I got some fruits. Yeah. Now listen, y'all. This is my dinner. But, you know, baby, I'm almost full right about now because I've been tasting. You know, I had to make sure all the seasoning was right to really, I'm almost full, but I'm eating my food. Oh, yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you all for hanging out with me. All right, guys.